Dear all, today we are going to see how we can use the mathematical symbols, formulas, equations in our LMS. So I'll create one assignment and I will use that symbols, formulas, whatever you are saying about mathematics, and I'll show you how we can add that also in other quiz and all other activity also. So first of all, I'll show you in assignment. So I'll create one assignment. So here I will create the assignment. So in the same way you can use in quiz also or any other activity that you can see here. So in any activity you can use this mathematical editor. So we have mathematical editor, so I'll show you how we can use it. So this is my assignment, that is experiment. So I'm showing for demo purpose, I'm using in experiment, that is in assignment, but you can use in any, means in any quiz or any other activity also. So same editor is available everywhere, right? So these are the symbols available, right? So here we can see we have a mathematical editor, that is a MATLAB. Thanks to MATLAB, so providing this what you can say the plugin to Moodle, our Moodle LMS. So we are using this tool, I can say editor. So I'll show you how we can. So you write something, this is a okay. So now you see here I want to add here one formula, so you can make the full screen of it. So here we have a symbol, so you can explore the symbols later, right? So many symbols we have here, that is an very rich editor we have. So here full screen symbol is there. When I click on it, so it will give me in a minimized format, or when I click on this again we'll get the full screen. So when whatever you want to write, you can write here. So I'll show you how we can use the mathematical editor. So here we have a symbol MATLAB, so click on it. When you click, so this is an editor, will get edited. So here we can make a full screen of this editor. So you can see here we can suppose I want the division, you can say a by b. So I can use this and I can directly write here a by b. For example, here I want to write something square values under square root, so it's a square root. Again you can use a raised to b. So for example, I want a raised to b here. So what I'll do, here I'll write a raised to 2, right? So likewise you can easily what you can use these symbols or formulas in your assignment, in any other what you can say quiz and all. So here you can see the font, you can change any font you want, and here you can change the size of the text, and you select and you can directly change the size also. If you want the bold value, so you can use this bold, and what you can italic and all. Here we have redo and save and all these options available. Symbols you can say, suppose I want this is plus and minus here, so you can easily write it, easily take this. For example, here we have some other symbols available. So this belongs to these are the symbols available. So this is a what you can say greater than, this is less than symbol, greater than or equal to symbol. So these are the symbols available. So here you can see the pi, infinity. So this is again what you can say the empty set. So these symbols you just over the mouse, and you will get what the symbol is used for and all. So here you can see other symbols are available. Suppose I want this a vector, so here I'll write I, and something you want to write, and you have to use, you can use it. For example, I want to use this y. So likewise also you can use here, again I'll show you these other symbols available here. You can use these symbols also in your equations. You want the matrix, so in your equation. So for example, I want this matrix here, so I'll choose 3 by 3 matrix, and here I need to fill the values. So I'll write here 1, 2, 3. So whatever values you want. So this is the auto determinant you want in this format, so you can use in this format also. For example, I want a matrix in this format. So we have, as per your requirement, you can use this editor. I'll left up to you, so you can use this. So here you want the integration parts or double integration. For example, this is an, I want this integration here. So what I'll do, I'll remove this part and I will show you how we can use the integration. So here you can see I want this, so I'll use here I e to integration from a to b. uh, Here we have, for example, x. I'll write here x and dx, right? So this is an what you can say integration. So I want to change this value to x square something. So I'll write here x square, select by selecting this. And if I want to write some other equation, so I can write right. So in this way also you can use this mathematical editor. For example, you are not compatible with this and you want the free sketch, so here we have a handwritten mode. So just click on it and you can see this is a handwritten code available. So I'll write here, for example, I want to write here x square plus y square and divide by something 4. This is 100 and you can do y square and all. So again here we have pre-sketch, same thing. So you can switch from this editor to hand what you can do pre-sketch. So this is a very easy mathematical what you can equation editor we have. So you can make the use of this about this and just click on OK. This whatever you have written, that will be directly integrated, that will be taken into this editor, and a student can see this as you have done this task. So this is all about mathematical editor we have. Similarly we have a chemistry editor, so we'll explore this part in our next video, incoming video. So I'm using in what you can say assignment, but similarly you can use in quiz, and you can create the question bank by using this editor, and you can use in any MCQ test and all. So this is all about mathematical editor. So thanks for watching this video, and I think you can make the use of it.